Hi guys, it's Rick from Rick Chat RC. I finally got some footage of this fantastic little quad here. It's not really little, but it's friggin' awesome. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. Today it's 42 degrees in Melbourne, and it's probably 52 in the shed here, so if I stay here too long I'm going to melt. Yesterday it was 30 degrees. I went out in the morning before it got too hot. It wasn't windy, and I've got to say, this thing is fantastic. I love it. You don't need it to be FPV. I'm not even going to bother with FPV. This thing's a massive powerhouse. It's got power to burn, and I've got some really good footage coming right up. Okay. Welcome. Today you're going to see the flight test and flight review of the Hobby King Quanum Chaotic Quad. Look at this beautiful day. It is 30 degrees today. It hasn't reached 30 degrees yet, but no one in sight. There is no wind, and we have beautiful blue skies. It's a perfect day for flying. Anyway, enough chatting from me. I'm going to connect the battery and let's see what this thing can do. Set the timer. Contact. It feels a little bit heavier than your standard quad even when you're flying it, when you first take it out, but then you get used to the power, and it's like any other quad. That was 3/4 throttle. Haven't even gone to full yet. Here we go with the punch. That is one powerful mother. Chaotic is an understatement. That was full throttle. Bloody beautiful if you ask me. This is what I'm using, guys, to practice my 3D for my helicopter. I'd rather have this going into the ground than my chopper. I know, I'm sure you know what I mean. Fifteen seconds. Try that punch one more time. Okay, it's time to land. Propellers off. Okay. I don't know about you, but that was freaking awesome for me. What a beauty. You don't need FPV all the time, guys. This is a rocket. An absolute rocket. A powerhouse in the air. Absolute powerhouse. I was flying it at half throttle most of the time. I went to three-quarter throttle about 2 or 3 or 4 times, and it was still flying like a rocket. Full power. I put it up once, I think you may have heard it. This thing flies like a rocket. I haven't done a speed test. I don't think I'm going to do a speed test. Well, not yet anyway. But this is the quad that I am practicing my 3D flying on. And what an absolute bargain. What an absolute bargain. This is in acro mode too, by the way. When I first started flying this, it felt as heavy as it looked, and it felt as heavy as it felt. She's fast. I'm performing that punch at just at about 3/4 throttle, not even full. Fast or what? This thing's got power to burn. On the land. battery, all safe. Switch off the transmitter, all good. Well, there you go, the Quanum, Hobby King Quanum Chaotic Quad. A bloody powerhouse as far as I'm concerned, an absolute bloody powerhouse. I was flying that around at half throttle, just above. Some of the power runs were 3/4 throttle, and I only ever give it a burst with full throttle. This thing's got power to burn. It's unbelievable. The punch is outstanding. I did a few loops before, as I said earlier, but I wasn't going to do that this time. I just wanted to demonstrate the flying characteristics. It's bloody awesome. I love it. Absolutely love it. And yeah, this is what I'm using to practice my 3D, guys. My 3D flight is being practiced on a quad like this. Visual line of sight. And everything I learned from here, apart from the sim, I'm going to take and apply to my RC helicopter. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. What a great experience. I feel absolutely awesome. Okay, it's made all the right sounds. It's ready for flight once again. Get the timer happening. Gets too far away, you can get disoriented, so be careful. Feels a bit jittery at times, but you know what, I think that's all resolved. I'm not saying I'm the right pilot all the time, but you get used to what you fly, and that's how you dial things in. I'm not even pushing it now, I'm just enjoying it. Pretty fast and awesome on half throttle, to tell you the truth. Oh, I momentarily lost this orientation. Gotta concentrate, guys. Even I have to. Doesn't matter how good you get. The minute you get a little bit cocky, that's when things go wrong. Okay, I hear the buzzer. Time to land. Ah, beautiful. Another flight. Get yourself a chaotic quad, guys. I thoroughly recommend it.